The West Virginia State Supreme Court finally got a request this afternoon from the WVSSAC to resolve conflicting court orders that have left the playoffs for high school football championships on hold. Bob Aaron says it argues each week the playoffs are delayed is doing irreparable harm to the schools and the kids involved.
In a filing to the state Supreme Court, the West Virginia Secondary School Activities Commission says it's a practical impossibility for it to obey conflicting court orders impacting the playoffs for the state football championships. It argues a Wood County judge's injunction overstepped its jurisdiction by determining which ranking system would be used, and effectively some schools that would not be in the playoffs. That order conflicts with one from a Mason County judge that's ordered play-ins for some ousted teams. Several of the circuit courts in the 55 counties got involved in this dispute, and that sent the West Virginia Secondary School Activities Commission to the West Virginia Supreme Court to try and resolve it with the clock running.
There have been some conflicting circuit court injunctions, so we've had to file writs with the Supreme Court. We don't know the timelines for sure, but when that all gets settled, we will eventually decide which rating system we're using.
The paperwork was incomplete when the agency first sought a writ of prohibition Wednesday and was not corrected until Thursday afternoon.
We're going to use one set of ratings or the other. We just believe it should be the one used throughout the entire regular season, not one adjusted at the 11th hour on a Saturday morning prior to the playoffs beginning by court injunction. So the Supreme Court will tell us which ratings to use, then we'll put the playoffs into motion just as quick as we can.
Somebody needs a timeout. In Charleston, Bob Aaron, Eyewitness News.
We're still waiting on word if and when the High Court would act. The play-ins for teams booted by the SSAC complying the Wood County order are set for Saturday, and there's another hearing in Wayne County set for Friday.